Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into one of the most common debates in fitness, cardio versus strength training. If you're a woman trying to figure out which type of exercise is best for you, you've come to the right place. We are breaking down the benefits of both so you can decide which one, or combination, is the right fit for your goals. Cardio, the heart health here. Let's start with cardio. Cardiovascular exercise includes activities like running, cycling, swimming, or even walking. The biggest benefit of cardio? It's amazing for your heart health and overall endurance. Regular cardio strengthens your heart, improves lung capacity, and boosts circulation. It also helps burn calories, which is why it's often the go-to for weight loss. Cardio also triggers the release of endorphins, the feel-good hormones, which can improve your mood and reduce stress. Plus, it's great for burning fat and improving stamina over time. Strength training, building lean muscle. Now, let's talk about strength training. This includes exercises like weightlifting, body weight exercises, or using resistance bands. Strength training is essential for building lean muscle mass, which is key for shaping and toning your body. More muscle means a higher metabolism, so even when you're resting, you're burning more calories. Strength training also improves bone density, which is super important for women as we age. It helps prevent conditions like osteoporosis, and it also boosts your functional strength, making everyday activities like lifting groceries or carrying kids a lot easier. Which one is better for women? So, which one is better for women, cardio or strength training? The answer is, it depends on your fitness goals. If your goal is to lose weight and improve your heart health, cardio might be your best bet. It's great for burning calories and improving cardiovascular health. But if you're looking to build muscle, tone your body, or boost your metabolism, then strength training is key. In fact, strength training can help you maintain lean muscle while you're losing fat through cardio. So, strength training is really important for overall body composition and strength. The best of both worlds, combining cardio and strength training. Here's the great news: you don't have to choose between cardio and strength training. For most women, the best approach is to combine both. A balanced workout routine that includes both cardio and strength training will give you the best of both worlds: fat burning, muscle building, and improved endurance. For example, you can do cardio 3 times a week and incorporate strength training 2 to 3 times a week. Mixing the two will keep your workouts fun, varied, and effective. So, to wrap it up, both cardio and strength training have amazing benefits, and neither one is necessarily better than the other. It all comes down to your goals. Whether you're looking to lose weight, build muscle, or just improve overall health, a combination of both is the way to go. Find what works for you, and enjoy the process. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more fitness tips. Drop a comment below and let me know, what's your favorite type of workout? I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.